Imagine the power to shape the future of artificial intelligence, right at your fingertips. That's exactly what Google's Gemini AI is bringing to the table. This revolutionary new feature allows you, yes you, to edit and modify specific parts of its responses. Launched on the 4th of March in the year 2024, this enhancement is an English language exclusive. The power to adjust the AI's responses is now yours. Simply select a portion of the generated text on the web and click on the pencil icon to make your modifications. The options at your disposal are vast. Choose Regenerate to have the AI come up with an entirely new response. Opt for Shorter or Longer to adjust the length of the response to your liking. If a part of the response is not to your taste, simply select Remove. Want to give the AI specific instructions? The Custom Instructions feature is there for you. The mobile app version of Gemini AI offers similar capabilities. The only difference is that modifications on the mobile app will affect the entire response rather than selected portions. However, with great power comes great responsibility. There are limitations to this feature. For instance, prompts will not instruct you on how to change the text. You also cannot alter the text format, change the response context, or use complex prompts. And remember, any modifications that violate Google's prohibited use policy are strictly forbidden. So, what's the bottom line? Google's Gemini AI has taken a giant leap forward, putting the power to shape AI responses directly in your hands. This feature is not only revolutionary but also intuitive and user-friendly. But like every tool, it must be used wisely. Adhere to Google's guidelines when utilizing this feature. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, Google's Gemini AI stands as a testament to innovation and progress. This new feature is not just a tool, it's a game changer. So get out there and start shaping the future of AI, one response at a time.